gustong yumaman? Taas ang kamay. Taas. Gusto. Biyanes. Medyo marami. Second question. Sino po dito ang gustong mapunta sa langit? Taas ang kamay. Manis naman. Dumami. Di ba? Ayaw yumaman pero gusto pumunta sa langit. Last question. Sino po dito ang gusto pumunta sa langit pero ngayon na? Taas ang kamay. Nawala. My dear brothers and sisters, why am I asking you these things? Because in today's gospel, Jesus presents two parables that reveal the incomparable value of the kingdom of God. The first is the parable of the hidden treasure, where a man joyfully sells everything he owns to purchase a field because he has discovered a treasure buried within it. The second is the parable of the pearl of great price, where a merchant searching for fine pearls finds one of extraordinary value and willingly gives up everything to obtain it. My dear brothers and sisters, both parables teach that the kingdom of God is worth more than anything this world can offer.